Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA follow-up of Bitcoin. Let's jump straight into the TA of Bitcoin, guys. I was anticipating this correction that we will go lower. Matter of fact, guys, let me just show you a 2-minute clip where I was talking about my previous TA about Bitcoin and we were expecting a lower Bitcoin price. There was definitely a possibility. I was talking about this leverage trading, this new build and so on. Go and watch, because a lot of people have not watched this video actually, and if you guys had watched it for 2 days ago, you'll be more prepared for this kind of outcome. You know what, guys, let me just play 2 minutes of it like I said, and then you guys can watch itself or watch the full video later on. Possibility. Alright guys, anyway guys, let's look at the TA of Bitcoin. If you've been following my channel for a while, you can already spot what this is, and if you guess it right, yeah, this is what we call a rising wedge. That is a bearish signal for Bitcoin or general for any stock or crypto. So you see some kind of this, that usually means there's a high probability for correction, guys. So we clearly want an A, B, C, we see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we see a breakdown to the downside, right? So the question is, what now? How long can we go? We can actually go lower than this, guys. And the way we measure that by is using what we call, again, if you've been following my channel, you know this, trend-based fib extension instead of the fib retracement. Alright, then we can see, have we bottomed it? Are we going lower, or what are we going to do? What's going to happen, right? So if we just remove this, because I already made it, we can take, just this for teaching purpose, guys, we can take, again, it's called trend-based fib extension, and then, there we go, let me see here, and then we can take the top from the bottom, from the new top right here, and then we can see our fib levels, right? We can also use the VPVR. I will also talk about that, where there were a lot of volatility, alright? And we can already see it broke through the 0.382 fib levels, and then it held back at our support and our fib level as 100%, alright? However, usually it can go all the way to the last fib level, which is 200%, and that will be around 53,000, 52,000 as a strong support, guys. This is a possibility. Just have this in mind. If we turn back to VPVR, we are seeing, as you guys saw, I was anticipating this fall. That's why I sold some of my positions and I'm getting ready to re-enter the market. I just need to see where it bottoms out, right? We are still in an ABC correction. I will show you my TA of Bitcoin. However, I just want to show you a funny fact, guys. Look, I made this 2 days ago, right? 4 likes include myself and 106 views, right? Not a lot. If we look at my pancake swap video, right? 36 likes, minus mine 35, 2,127 saw this. Alright, this is bullish news, this is bearish news. So you guys see the human emotions. People are not interested in these bearish news, these correction. When I do TA and do these correction videos, people actually kind of do a hate. When I was on Facebook and we were talking about this, people were like, you know, cursing at me and so on. People really don't like these kind of news. And when I do TA, I am very honest about my TA, and I will always be honest, guys. But it's just sad that a lot of people don't see how TA works and how human emotion works, because matter of fact is, don't be a pump chaser, be a dump chaser, guys. You earn the most money in the red, guys. Alright, also don't panic. I've seen this a million times. Anyway, guys, let's go back to the TA of Bitcoin. So if we look at the TA, guys, we are still in a rising wedge with an ABC correction. Now, I don't believe we have still found the bottom, as a trend fib-based, I can't pronounce it, apparently, trend-based fib extension are telling us we still haven't reached 200%. So we can still reach that, guys. Be aware of that. So that is 53,000, 54,000, around that area. We have some kind of support at the VPVR, as I mentioned in my previous video. If you go down, we can go down to around 47,000, 45,000 and 43,000. That will be a big support also. However, we are now below the 60,000. That is a huge resistance now, guys. That is what we call a supply zone. We need to go over the supply zone. That means we need more volume. I already talking about this in my previous video. If this scenario ever happened, and it did happen. So if we can look at the daily, we are in ABC correction. However, I'm also seeing something bullish, guys. It's not only bearish things we're going to watch, right? We are seeing in this kind of time frame, we are seeing, If you have been following my channel, you know what I'm making at the moment. If you guess it, yeah, that is correct. We are in a falling wedge. That is a bullish pattern in the short one, right? That means it most likely will go and test the trend line in the rising wedge, right? So as I was explaining in my previous video, we will go down right there, test the 60,000, then go back and test this trend line, right? So this is a possibility. So at the moment, we can expect that it can go lower down. However, we are in a falling wedge. Usually that means we will see some kind of bounce back, right? And then we need to make a higher high. Again, volume, we need more volume to confirm this. But at the moment, it is looking all right, guys. Do not panic. Again, I've seen this so many times. Look at the RSI. We are below 50 area. That means we are in a downtrend. Not good. I want to see to above 50 area. If you look at the RSI stock, again, we are oversold. That is a good. Usually that means we have to bounce back. We just need to find the bottom and then we will bounce back, guys. So again, do not panic, guys. TSV looking good. MACD, it is, you guys see the histogram is going down. That means we have a sell-off at the moment. Again, I have been saying this is the game of the whales, guys. The institution is just playing us all. Just play along, all right? But always be prepared, guys. I always do honest TA, guys. And in my videos, the bullish videos, I also always have a TA probability, what is the chance for upside and a downside. Follow these TA and learn from them, guys. Protect your money, protect your asset, no matter what. All right. If you're long-term holder, this channel is maybe not for you. Or maybe it is. I just do short-term trading, and a long hold, I hold at a bear market. That is where I earn the most. After 5 to 6 years, I'm really profitable after learning all of these, guys. Anyway, guys, if you like my content and you like this kind of short video, hit a like, subscribe to this channel, comment anything you like, and guys, see ya next time.